What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the issue with this Adrenalin software warning. The version of AMD software Adrenalin you have launched is not compatible with your currently installed graphics driver. I'll explain what it is, how to fix it, and how to stop it from happening in the future. Before we get started, if you want to hit that sub button, that would be really great because according to these statistics, 99% of you are not subscribed. So if you want more tips, tricks, and cool videos like this, be sure to hit that sub button below. So first off, this warning happens when a Windows update pushes an old driver out, the AMD driver, and pushes a generic driver in. This can happen in two ways. One, automatically through Windows Update, or two, if your graphics card crashes, the driver crashes, Windows might try to fix it by going back to the generic driver, and then next time you start your PC, you're stuck with the wrong driver. So in order to fix this, or actually, let's go ahead and start with how to stop this from happening. All right, so what we're going to do is right click on the Start menu and go to System. You're going to scroll down until you see Advanced System Settings right here. In Advanced System Settings, you're going to go to Hardware and Device Installation Settings. Right here, you're going to choose, do you want to automatically download manufacturer's apps and custom icons available for your devices? No, your devices might not work as expected, and hit Save. Now this is going to stop Windows from automatically downloading drivers and installing them for devices. You are going to however, have to install them on your own from this point forward, so make sure that you install the correct drivers for your devices. Usually I recommend leaving it on when you first plug in your computer so it can get all the weird little network devices and Bluetooth drivers and all that kind of stuff, and then I install the major ones over those and turn that feature off. So let's go ahead and go on to the next part. I'm going to load up the AMD website, and the next part of this is just reinstalling the official drivers and restarting your computer. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Let's go ahead and go to drivers and support, and we're going to search for our drivers. So I'm going to choose, let's see, we have a 5700 series, 50th anniversary edition, submit. And we're going to choose Windows 11 and hit download. You're of course going to choose your Windows version. Once it finishes downloading, you're going to open that up and hit yes on any security prompts that come up. Choose a place to extract and install it. This could take longer or not as long depending on your internet connection for the first part and your hard drive connection for the second part. All right, so now the Adrenalin software installer is going to load up, and the main part that you want to check in this box is do a clean install. Make a note of any settings you might have that you want to reinstall, but it's always recommended to do a factory reset with a full install. But you can do the other types of installs and it should work fine as well. But when you're having issues with it crashing and causing this issue in the first place, you generally want to do a reset, and you can do that now by keep your user settings as well, it looks like, so that's a good thing to do. But yeah, we're going to choose factory reset, full install, choose a place to install it, and keep our user settings, and we're going to go ahead and click on install here. And when I click install, the graphics driver is going to turn off and on, and my recording is probably going to stop. So I'm going to stop the video here and let you guys go ahead and continue on. You know, it's just a standard installer. Make sure to reset your computer after, and it should load up, and Adrenalin should work for you from that point forward. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Peace.
What? You've never heard of StreamSavers? And you thought PewDiePie was the only YouTuber to make a game? I made a game too, and it's called StreamSavers, and it's available for pre-order right now for $9.99, and that's a great price.